Welcome to the latest edition of Vaccines Research Updates, covering recent breakthroughs in the field, brought to you by Lucid Quest. CEPI will invest up to $54.3 million to support a pivotal Phase 3 trial of Moderna's H5 pandemic influenza vaccine candidate, mRNA 1018. If licensed, Moderna has committed to allocate 20% of its H5 manufacturing capacity for timely supply to low- and middle-income countries. Trial sites are planned in the UK and the US. An early Phase 1/2a human study of a multistage Plasmodium falciparum vaccine showed encouraging safety and protection signals in a controlled human malaria infection model. The candidate targets both pre-erythrocytic and blood stages, and adverse events were described as mild to moderate. ARMR Sciences will begin a roughly 40-participant Phase 1 trial in the Netherlands in early 2026 to assess safety and antibody responses of its fentanyl vaccine. The vaccine uses a fentanyl hapten conjugated to CRM197 with DMLT adjuvant, designed to block fentanyl at the blood-brain barrier. Preclinical rat data have shown supportive immune responses. Sanofi has announced plans to acquire Dynavax for approximately $2.2 billion in cash, or about $15.50 per share. The acquisition adds HEPLISAV-B, an approved adult hepatitis B vaccine, and Z1018, an experimental shingles candidate that has shown early immune signals compared with Shingrix. The deal is expected to close in the first quarter of 2026. A meta-analysis of randomized trials involving more than 100,000 adults aged 60 and older found that RSV prefusion F vaccines reduced lower respiratory tract and acute respiratory infections caused by RSV, without an increase in serious adverse events. Study heterogeneity improved after exclusion of an outlier trial, strengthening the findings' consistency. Moderna has submitted marketing applications for its mRNA 1010 seasonal influenza vaccine to the FDA, EMA, Health Canada, and the Therapeutic Goods Administration for adults aged 50 and above. The filings are based on Phase 3 data showing a relative vaccine efficacy of 26.6% and a favorable tolerability profile. The first vaccinations with IAVI's G004 HIV vaccine were performed on the 15th of December 2025 in South Africa in IAVI's G004 Phase 1 clinical trial. The 96-participant dose escalation study evaluates sequential mRNA immunogens designed to elicit broadly neutralizing antibody precursors. The study is conducted at 6 South African sites using immunogens developed by IAVI and Scripps Research, delivered via Moderna's mRNA platform. Bayer has filed lawsuits in Delaware and New Jersey against Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson, alleging misuse of its Monsanto-derived mRNA stabilizing technology. The company is seeking damages, but has not requested to halt vaccine manufacturing or sales. The European Commission has approved a prefilled syringe presentation of GSK's Shingrix vaccine, maintaining the same indication and dosing as the existing formulation. The new presentation removes the need for reconstitution, simplifying preparation and administration for healthcare providers. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories has announced the launch of Hevaxin, a recombinant hepatitis E vaccine approved by India's Drugs Controller General for adults aged 18 to 65. The company cites supportive clinical data and WHO reported burden figures and plans to distribute the vaccine through local partnerships to improve access in India. Stay ahead in vaccines research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.